Hello, in front of me I've got Opel Grandland. In this video I'll show you how to use cruise control. To activate cruise control, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. Press cruise control button right here to start it. Now accelerate to desired speed and press play button. Now you can let the acceleration pedal go. Right here on the instrument cluster you can find that the cruise control is enabled. To increase speed, twist this button upwards. To decrease it, twist it downwards. To disable cruise control, press this button. And to play pause, press this button again. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.